Hey, what's up, guys? Just want to show you my code so then you can have an understanding. Since it's really hard to work in the project when we don't talk verbally. So here's my code, and I just learned how to use Replit. I never used it before. It's actually pretty cool. All right, so it just said, "Hey, welcome to the accounting program, user administrator." Okay, what would you like to do? Let's go to user, and then it's going to say enter user ID 1 through 10 because the only reason why I set that ask for because it says there for a user prompt for the ID and the number of copies, increment the appropriate count and return to the main menu. So if I go back to Replit here, let's do account 1, then the number of the copy, let's do 100. Let's go back to user again, do 2, and just do account number 2, and let's enter the number of the copies, and let's do 500. All right. So when you go back here, it says for administrator, show the menu, right? So in the balance option, show the balance of the master account, and then the 10 project accounts. So show the balance of the master account and the 10 project accounts. So let's go back here and let's go to administrator and let's type in B for balance. And you see account 1, account 2 has 100, 500. But then there's no master account tied to it. So if you go back here, it says in the balance option, show the balance, then 10 project. In the master options, prompt for user ID and link it to the master account. So if you go back here, and let's go back to down here, administrator, and let's go back to the master, and it says once you enter the ID, go back to the balance and see balance. So let's just do my ID number from work428017. Enter. You go back to administrator and you go back to beef balance. You see that the master account is tied back to all 10 accounts. So what would you like to do now? Let's go back to administrator and let's go back to projects, right? So in the project prompt user for project ID, afterwards return to the menu. So I think I did it correctly because of go back here. Let's go back to project and 428017. Enter project ID. Let's go 1. So let's go back to administrator and balance. And okay. So why did it go here?